shitty video how to make a table with planks on top using an array modifier. So we're gonna start with a plane, and we're gonna scale our plane to the size we want. I want 70 centimeters because that's gonna be the shorter side of my table. Yes, and I also would want my units. Was looking at it the whole time. Alright, and now we're gonna scale that, but only on the y-axis, and we're gonna do double, so it's 140. And now we're gonna apply that scale so nothing gets fucked up later. Now we're gonna cut a hole in the middle, so we're gonna press I. Oh, sorry, I need to be in edit mode. We're gonna press I, and we're gonna type in the amount we want to indent by. So I want 2.5 centimeters. Yeah, that's right. And now I'm gonna delete the face, so we're gonna press X spaces, and now I'm gonna select all, extrude, and 2.5 centimeters. And so now we got the frame for our table. And now I want a leg for a table. So I'm gonna do another object, Shift A, cube, and I want its size to be 2.5 centimeters. And enter. Now I'm gonna modify its height. So it's gonna be 70, but minus 5 centimeters, so 65. Why minus 5? Because there is our frame already has 2.5 centimeters, and I want also planks on top of it, so it's gonna be 5 altogether. So 65. I'm gonna apply scale. I'm gonna move the origin, so we're gonna go to edit mode. We're gonna draw the faces. We're gonna select that face. We're gonna go to mesh, snap, cursor to selected. We're gonna go to object mode, object, set origin, origin to 3D cursor. So we have 3D cursor on top of that face. Now we're gonna go here, go to edit mode, go to edges. So press 2 on your keyboard. Not num2, but regular 2. Select that edge. And now press mesh, snap, cursor selected. So we have 3D cursor in the middle of that edge. And now we're gonna go to object mode. We're gonna select the leg. We're gonna go to object, snap, selection to cursor. And here we go. Now, what I want bevel on every part, because this is gonna be a metal frame, and it's really hard to make sharp edges of metal when you're not cutting it, but when you're bending it. So I'm imagining it's hollow inside, and that's why it's gonna be bended and welded together. So I want a little bit rounded edges. So I'm gonna add a bevel modifier. We're gonna cut every edge. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller, a little bit, yeah, like 0.1 is gonna be good. But these edges are still sharp. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a weighted normals modifier, and I'm gonna also, this is a little bit obsolete, a little bit too much. So I'm gonna also add shade smooth. This should modify it. So shade out smooth, and it needs to be before the weighted normal. That's it. And let's do the same here. Quickly bevel, 0.1. Weighted normals, shade out smooth, and it needs to be before weighted normals. So this is good. Now I want 4 legs, so I'm gonna add a mirror modifier, and I'm gonna be mirroring by an object, this plane, because that's what maybe let's rename it to frame and leg. So we're gonna mirror by frame because by the frame origin it is still in the center, yeah, when we mirror by the center, it's gonna be good. You know, our 4 legs are in their places already. So now I want a beam that's gonna be connecting these 2 legs. So how I'm gonna do this is, well, let me look at the whole leg. I'm gonna go Control R. I'm gonna press 2, so we have double loop cuts. Press here. I don't care where they are, or maybe I do. Actually, let's press Control Alt, and no, let's play Alt Shift and press this, and the whole loop is selected. And Z, I want it to be like -20 exactly, because there is 0 at the start of the leg, and I want this to be 20 centimeters lower. So let's select that loop and be -23. All right. Now I'm gonna go to faces, select that face, and press I. So it's gonna be smaller. I don't know how much smaller. Maybe 0.2. That's too little. 0.3, 0.5. All right. So now I'm gonna actually select a little bit more. I'm gonna select like this, and I'm gonna scale it because I think it's too small a bit. So I'm gonna scale it by only the axis, and let's make it, I don't know, like this tall. Yeah, that's good. That should be alright. The mirror, I want no clipping, so I'm gonna select that face, and I'm gonna extrude it. You see the bevel modifier is gone, but that's alright because as soon as I move this, it should be back. It is. You also notice that there is a gap here, but as soon as we apply the mirror modifier, it should be alright. Or maybe when we move the modifier, it's good. So we have also the bevel edges here, so everything is perfect. I think that's gonna be the frame done. So I think I'm gonna apply the mirror. Yeah. So let's go to object mode and not duplicate but apply. And now it's applied. Alright, now we're gonna go and make planks. So what I'm gonna do is go to object mode, make a new cube, and it's already in a good place. So what I'm going to do is make it a little bit higher. The z-axis is 0. I want it, wait a second. 2.5 by half is 1.25. Yeah, that's exactly at the height of the frame. So I want it 2.5 higher. Yeah, that's good. So what now? Now I want to go to edit mode, and I want to modify this cube. So I'm gonna select faces. I'm gonna move that by y-axis, and I'm gonna wing it to be 4.5. 4.5 around here. Yeah, let's actually make it 4.5. And now let's select that face, and also move it by the x-axis, and this is like 70. Make it 70. 70 minus 1.25. Not minus, but plus, because it's negative. 70 plus 1.25. Yeah, now it's good. So we have a plank, singular. So we're going to go to object mode, because I want to select the whole one. I'm going to add the bevel modifier also. Bevel. Let's make it a bit smaller than 0.1. Let's make it 0.05. Let's also add the weight normals here, because I want it to be wood. So the wood also doesn't have amazingly sharp edges, but they're a little bit sharp. It doesn't bend metal. So we weighted normals and shade out the smooth, unpin it and move it before the weighted normals. And now what I'm going to do is add a modifier which is called RA. And as you can see, the plank is duplicated. I want it to be duplicated by the y-axis. And I have pre-calculated that what I have done is I divided 140 into 5 centimeter segments, which gave me 28 segments. So I want 28 planks. The plank is too thick. The plank, I moved it. I made it 4.5, but I need to minus 125. Yeah, and now it's good. Now it's 4.5 because the center is in the center. I keep forgetting that. Alright, so I have 28 planks, and they're all literally right next to each other, and I don't want it. So I have pre-calculated so how wide the gap needs to be. So the last plank is exactly on the top. You are going to see the equations on the screen right now. So what we're going to do is this y factor is going to be 1.11522638. Yeah, and now I looked at the right equation, and it's good. So we have our table. Now what we're going to do is try to texture it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go to edges. I'm going to select this edge by pressing Shift and Alt, and wait, Shift and Alt, that doesn't work. Let's select it manually then, this edge loop, and mark it as a theme. So when we're going to UV unwrap, this is going to be, treated accordingly. And also this edge will be a theme because we want to unwrap somehow. Or maybe not this one, but the inner one. I don't know, it doesn't really matter because the last line is going to have the outer one. So now we're going to apply the array modifier, because if we don't, the texture is going to be the same on every plank. So what we're going to do is go to object mode, we're going to find the array modifier and apply it. So now what I can do is maybe clear seam and mark thing here. Not sharp, but seam. Yeah. So there is continuous texture. What else? Now let's do the same to the legs and the frame. The frame is going to be pressed, but it doesn't really matter to the frame. It's going to be, yeah, let's do it. So we want the fit. Does Alt Shift work here? No, it doesn't. As always. Mark seam. Let's do the intercolumn. Mark seam. Let's do the connection of the beam. Mark seam. Let's do the downwards here. Mark seam. Mark seam. Mark seam. This is going to take a while because I foolishly have I've applied the mirror modifier before I've done that. Alright, let's now do the frame. So we're gonna go to object mode, select the frame. We're gonna go to singular object. So by pressing the forward slash, that's the one where the question mark is, you're gonna see only this object. And yeah, the shift alt works here. So we mark a scene. And mark a scene here. And that's gonna be enough. So yeah, we're gonna exit the singular object mode by pressing the forward slash again. And now we're gonna UV unwrap everything. So we're gonna do to UV editing. We're gonna select all and press U, unwrap, and it's cleanly unwrapped here. Now we're gonna do to another object. We're gonna press U. No, we're gonna go to edit mode. Press U. Press A. Select all. U. Unwrap. Again to object mode. Press select the legs. Edit mode. Select all with A. Press U and unwrap. That's fucked up. No, we can't have that. We need more scenes actually. So all we need to do is go back to layout, go back to edit mode, press singular object mode, and I forgot the top part here. I want scenes here. Right, and we now go to UV editing and select all, view, unwrap, and now it's cleanly unwrapped. Alright, is there anything else? No, I don't think so. So now we're gonna find some textures. So I'm gonna go online. I'm gonna search for wood PBR 200 2048. Why 2048? Because I want it free. And higher resolution textures tend to be not free anymore. And yeah, and why not 1024? Because I wanna make pretty close-up render of this, so it's gonna be pretty visible. I want it as high resolution as I can. What is this? This has planks already, and I don't quite like that. Let's see how this looks. It's pretty straight, stretched out, like it's really stretched out. Here. Yeah, I think this is it. Oh, it's 4K then. Wood material, PBR. We extract all. Alright, I don't know if we're gonna need everything, but yeah, we're gonna see. So now what I want to do is go to this object, go to texture shading actually, add a new material. So we have a new material here, and what we're gonna do is edit preferences, add-ons, go to search for Wrangler, node Wrangler, enable it, select the principal BSDF, press Ctrl Shift and T, and now find the folder with your wood material. Which one is it actually? It's 1118. Alright, we go to default, select everything, and print a texture set. Yeah, so you see that the seams are in the wrong way, so what I'm gonna do is go to editing and select all and rotate it by 90 degrees. Also move it. That's gonna be hard. I don't actually know how to snap this shit. Let's make it as close as possible to the actual. Yeah, let's say it's good enough, like that. So now we're gonna look for another PBR. We're gonna go to free metal PBR. Black metal. Made metal texture black, that's what I want. Yeah, this looks good. Resolution 4K, so it's consistent. And let's download it. Extract it. And let's do the same. So select this new material, select the principal BSDF, press Ctrl Shift T, Ctrl Shift T I said, and go to your folder, principal texture set, and it works. That looks good. So now select your legs and select the material you already have created. And this is our our table. The only thing left is to render it. So we're gonna go to layout. We're gonna go and check where the camera is. Let's make it like the render from right here. Press Ctrl Alt Numpad 0. You see that the leg is broken. Let's do camera to view, and let's position it more precisely so it's in the center. Deselect that. The camera is an active camera. Let's make maybe let's add a sun so it's written properly. Shift A, sun. Let's move it. G. It doesn't really matter how much you're moving it. Where is it? Yeah, it's good enough. So we're gonna go to render image. It's already dark. Let's make the strength of the sun like 10. And now render image. It's a bit better. Are the planks floating? Why they shouldn't be? What the hell is happening? 10 is a bit too much. Let's make it 5. Why the fucking planks are floating? Let's see if apply location changes anything. Everything. Let's apply everything. Yeah. And now let's render image. This doesn't change. It didn't change shit. Let's do that to every object. Let's do Control A, apply location. And that was frame and not legs. And now render image. Yeah. So it was the frame and the legs that have applied location, and that's fucked up everything. So this is a nice render.